Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So in this video for learning Dart, we are going to understand the use of for loop. So create one file, I say it for loop dart. Here I say void main simple and I have to use for, so I say for here and I say int I equal to 0, I less than 10, I say I plus plus, start print and I say value, and here I use a string interpolation, I say I and I say semicolon. Remember that syntax of this for is similar to JavaScript, C, C++ and Java programming language. Nothing is different. So we have a first initialization, so creating a variable, initializing a value. Second one is the condition, true or false. If this condition is true, then it will display, otherwise would not display. After displaying this, it will goes to this, it increment the one value. So now second time it would not go to initialization. Remember that it will go to condition. Now it become true. 2 is also less than 10, then display, then become 3. 3 is also less than 10, then display, then increment. Same concept we have. If I run this, I say dart run 8 and you will see the output 0 to 9 value we are going to print here. Remember? So it's a very simple thing to display the value multiple times. So 10 times I want to display it. So this is a single for statement, but if you want to use the for inside a for, multiple for you want to use, so you can use that also. Under this, suppose I say for here and here I say int j equal to 0, j less than 5, j plus plus, and we need to write j here also. Then we write this. So I need, you see, I do not have a bracket here, but it's better to use brackets, otherwise it generate confusion. One more bracket I have like this. Now for displaying this information, I write here print also. I say print and here I say I equal to, because I want to print the value of I first here. Then we do this. Then I say j equal to and I put the value of j here. Remember? So it will display, I say 5 time only this one also and this one, okay, 5 time I, and then every time 0 to 4, or I say 1 here and I say 6 here. Okay, then I run it. I say CLS. Now if I run this once again, you will see that. So I have first of all this one I, then I is 0, then j is 5 time execute, then I is 1, then j 5 time execute, then I is 2, j 5 time execute, then I is 3, then j 5 time execute, then I is 4, then j 5 time execute. Remember that. So it will execute once, it will execute all time, then it will become 2, then it will execute all 1 to 5, then it will become 3, then it will execute all, because this is the inner loop. So this inner loop execute all the operations first. It execute once, it executes on depend on condition, all the conditions until true it will execute. Then second time it will execute, then it will execute all time, then third time, then all time, then fourth time, then all time. So it depend on the condition whatever you are putting here. If this condition is true, it will execute all the conditions here, then it will execute again one time, then it will execute all the statements. Remember that here I execute once, j execute all time. You see, it become 3, it become all, it become 2, it become all. Remember, this is the way to run for loop in Dart programming language. If you like it, please do subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.